In this video, I am going to explain to you how I went from being completely broke, working at a shitty 9 to 5 desk job, to making over $81,000 in 30 days using Instagram Reels. And I did not have many followers when I started this. If you apply everything that I teach you today, I promise you are going to discover that this is the fastest and easiest way for anyone to make money online, because all you need is an Instagram account and Wi-Fi to get started. You do not have to run any ads. You do not have to become an influencer. There are no products to ship. There is no inventory. There is no middleman. All you need is yourself. To this day, I have made over $13 million online by promoting my own digital products using Instagram and YouTube. And it's not just me who has crazy success. My student Tian applied everything that I am about to share with you in this video, and she made over $7,000 within 14 days. Make sure you watch that YouTube video so you can hear the interview that I did with her. So this is something that I discovered a few years ago when I started posting short 3 to 60-second reels on Instagram. My niche on Instagram is make money online, meaning I teach people like you how to make money online. And specifically, I was teaching people how to start successful Amazon FBA businesses. In the past, I've had a successful Amazon business and I had a lot of knowledge. I felt like I was in a position to share my knowledge with the world. I had a ton of experience. I made millions of dollars. So I thought, okay, I can share this with viewers on Instagram and hopefully they can learn something from me. So that's exactly what I did. I created one Instagram reel per day. I spent less than 10 minutes per day on Instagram and I was able to generate large amounts of money. So the goal here is to share valuable information that you know through posting Instagram reels. And the end goal is to attract tens of thousands of viewers to your Instagram account. If viewers are interested in what you are teaching through your Instagram reels, they will be inclined to pay you for your digital product. Now, you may be thinking, oh my gosh, but Tamara, I am not like you. I am not an expert at teaching anything online. Well, I am here to tell you that you do not need to be an expert. You just need to have experience in something that you've done in your life. Because content creators who make the most amount of money are not experts. They are just selling their knowledge online. I am sure that at some point in your life, when you are on the internet, you have looked up certain topics. Maybe you want to learn how to cook. So you go on YouTube or Instagram and you type in how to cook. Or you are trying to train your toddler. So you may have seen Instagram reels or YouTube videos where parents are teaching you how to train your toddler. There are endless how-to videos on the internet. This is why you do not need to be an expert. You just need to have experience for something that you are good at doing. If you are a beginner and you need one-on-one help to get started, then I want to invite you to my free training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name and email address, because I will show you through my webinar training how you can make money on Instagram for yourself. At the end of the training, you can apply for a one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will walk you through beginning to end how to turn your Instagram account into a passive income asset, all by posting short 3 to 60-second Instagram reels. And again, you do not need any followers to do this. So what is the first step to making money using Instagram Reels? Let's expand on experience. So when you are creating Instagram Reels, what exactly do you post? How do you attract viewers? How do you attract followers? Why should people buy from you? Well, this all comes down to you using your experience and then turning that into a niche. So let's say, for example, you have experience in cooking. You think you are great at cooking. This is experience that you have. So what you want to do is take that experience and to choose a niche. A niche is a topic for your Instagram account. So again, my niche is make money online. This falls under wealth. I am teaching people how to make money. But for you, if you have experience in cooking, then you may be teaching people how to cook. Or if you have experience with training toddlers, then your niche is all about training toddlers. When it comes to picking a niche, it is different compared to other business models that you heard of. For example, if you were to have a drop shipping business or an Amazon FBA business, people always tell you that you need a winning product, or they tell you that you need a winning niche. You need something that's trendy, that is popular, that is being searched X amount of times so you can attract viewers. This is totally different on Instagram because almost all niches are profitable. And this is because there are over 2 billion active users scrolling on Instagram every day. They are looking for how-to videos so they can learn something or they want to entertain themselves. We are not using Instagram for entertainment. We are using Instagram to make a lot of money. So whatever you have experience in, you can take that experience and post Instagram reels around that niche. It is important to understand that you should not have multiple niches. For example, my niche is teaching people how to make money online. I am not going to teach you how to train a puppy. I am not going to teach you how to do yoga. I am not going to teach you how to do cardio exercises because that is not my niche. If you choose a niche and you have experience in doing something, then you should stick to that niche. I would choose something that you are passionate about. Think about it. When you are out with your family and friends, what do you talk about the most? What do you enjoy talking about? Because when you are sharing your experience through Instagram Reels, you have to enjoy what you are talking about, or this will lead to burnout. There are so many content creators who I personally know that has chosen a niche because they have experience in doing something, but they got burnt out and their business went to making a lot of money to $0 because they got tired of talking about the same thing. So this is why I chose the niche, make money online. Making money is something that I am extremely passionate about. I did not have a lot of money growing up, and this is something that I am good at. I've helped thousands of people become financially free. So of course, this is my niche. But for you, again, I want you to focus on experience and passion. Just think about it. How fun would it be if you get to share your experience and passion through Instagram Reels? This will help you avoid feeling burnt out. The most important thing to remember when you are creating Instagram Reels is that if you stop attracting viewers, you will not get paid. You want to constantly attract new viewers that turn into leads, that turn into clients who will pay you for your digital product. So it is important that you love what you share on Instagram. Okay, so what happens when you create Instagram Reels about your experience and something that you are passionate about? You have your niche. Now what do? You should have a simple sales funnel so you can get viewers to become leads and then turn them into paying clients. If you guys want a sales funnel breakdown, then just leave me a comment below. And if I get enough people requesting this, I may just make a video about my sales funnel and how I used it to generate millions of dollars. So now that you have created your Instagram Reels, you will start to notice the views coming in. And we want to turn those views into raving fans or followers. And then once someone is interested in what we have to share on Instagram, they will be inclined to learn more from us. Just like how when I was teaching people how to start successful Amazon businesses, I created reels around that topic. And sooner or later, the viewers turned into followers and fans. And then they went through my sales funnel to make a purchase. That is how I got paid. Sales funnels do not have to be complex. I have experience in building both simple sales funnels and complex sales funnels. And I am here to tell you that the more simple your sales funnel is, the easier it is for your clients to make a purchase. What you do not want to do with your sales funnel is to make it complex. This can mean that you have too much text on your website, or you have too many videos happening because you think the more videos you post on a single page will convert leads into paying clients. Or maybe your messaging is not clear. Maybe on one page you are talking about how to cook, and then the second page you are talking about nutrition, and then the third page you are talking about becoming a vegan. I've seen these mistakes happen over and over again, so that is why I suggest you to have a simple sales funnel. If you want to check out my sales funnel, then the link is in the YouTube description below. It is the free training that I told you to sign up for if you want to learn how to make money on Instagram. You will see that my sales funnel is super simple. I have my landing page, which has a headline. I ask for your name and email address. The next page, I have a 20-minute video explaining to you what I do. The page after that is for you to schedule a call with my team if you want to learn more. And then on the fourth page, which is the last page, I have a confirmation video and a homework video for you to review. That's it. That is simple. And this simple sales funnel has generated me millions of dollars. My students use the exact same simple sales funnel to make money for themselves. And finally, we have the digital product when someone goes through our sales funnel. So the type of digital product that I sell on Instagram when someone goes through my sales funnel is an online course. I've sold online courses, online training, online consulting, and online coaching because I am teaching you how to do something. So if your niche is cooking because you are teaching someone how to cook, you may create a digital product that is an online course or training in a series of videos showing someone how to cook. It's as simple as that. So once someone buys my digital product, I get paid. And that is how I use Instagram Reels to make money. Let's go over the 3 biggest steps so you fully understand. First, you obviously need an Instagram account, so I'm not going to include that in our steps. Step 1 is to choose a niche around something that you have experience in and something that you are passionate about. So you can create Instagram Reels to attract tons of viewers. Have a look at my Instagram Reels. I get thousands of viewers every day. And all I do is spend a few minutes per day posting an Instagram Reel. Step 2 is to set up a simple sales funnel. So after people view my Instagram Reel, they may be inclined to give me a follow, or they may double tap and give me a like. This means that they are slowly turning into fans. And when you have a fan base on your Instagram account, it is only a matter of time when these fans check out the link in your bio. So if you can get a viewer to click on the link in your bio, this will lead them to your sales funnel, which in other words, your website. This is when the selling starts to happen. Or you can have a call to action on your Instagram Reel and you can tell the viewer to comment a specific keyword. You can see that in this reel, I told the viewer to comment the keyword class and I will send them a free training. I send them through Instagram DM to my sales funnel. And then this is when the transaction happens. This is where I sell them my digital product. Now, I have things set up in a more advanced way. So for my sales funnel, I offer one-on-one consultations. This is when someone goes through my sales funnel, and if they want to learn more about making money on Instagram, they can book a Zoom meeting with a consultant on my team. And then if they are interested in what I have to teach them, they may make a purchase over that Zoom call for my digital product. But it does not have to be set up that way. A simpler way to have this set up for yourself, if you are a beginner, is to just have an order form in your sales funnel. So once someone clicks on the link in your bio, or if you send them to your website, you can also have an order form for them to check out. Typically, this works for lower price digital products. So if you are selling a digital product, such as an online course or an online training, then if it is under $2,000, you can create a checkout page and get that lead to just pay you for your digital product. For me, I am selling a more higher ticketed product, and I want to provide a free consultation over Zoom before someone purchases my digital product. So I have this set up in a more advanced way. But if you just want to keep everything simple, you can just create a checkout page in your sales funnel, and then people can transact through your sales funnel. The software that I use to create sales funnels is called ClickFunnels. They already have sales funnels set up for you. All you need to do is change the text, and they also have order forms. So if you want to sell your digital product, ClickFunnels already have order forms already made. And if you want to try out ClickFunnels, I will also link it in the YouTube description below. So these are the 3 biggest steps that you must apply so you can make a ton of money on Instagram. After you have applied this, your Instagram account becomes your own passive income asset. For example, I only spend a few minutes per day on Instagram, and I post one short 3 to 60-second reel to attract tons of viewers. And then this happens because this is already all built out. So you can only imagine how passive this is if you would only apply all of these steps. This is exactly what I did to make over $81,000 in just 30 days using Instagram Reels. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. And again, if you want one-on-one help to set this entire system up, then all you need to do is click on the free training link in the YouTube description below so you can get access to my webinar training and then book a one-on-one consultation with my team. We will walk you through how everything works so you can make money on Instagram as well.